1, 2, and 3. Give a great big round of applause. Take away on that, John. If you want to go over the night, when they do this time, they'll feel relaxed, refreshed, and full of energy. They'll feel absolutely here for just a few short moments. Once a person has been hypnotized, you can go back under very quickly, very easily, and very difference. When that happened to me, it could be a few minutes later, a few years later. Once a person has been under, they can always go back under very quickly and very easily again. All the folks up here will be able to go back into the state they're in right now in a matter of just a few seconds. As they walk out of this room, all suggestions will be completely gone. At no point in time will any of them remain under hypnosis, or any suggestions remain once they walk out the doors of this gymnasium. Except for I want you to think of something you might like to improve in your life. If you'd like to be able to do better in sports or school, or have more energy or sleep better, whatever it might happen to be, when you open your eyes, you find you have a new level of self-confidence. Not the kind that's arrogant or boastful, but the kind that gives you courage and strength and energy and stamina like you have never had before. You're going to be able to perform, you're going to be able to make improvements in your life in ways that you never even dreamed possible. Drifting on down, at no point in time will any of you ever feel self-conscious or embarrassed or anything that did or did not happen up here. Just simply feel very privileged for having the opportunity to be up here and look forward to the next opportunity, whenever or wherever that might be. Drifting on down, down, and down. Now some of you might notice some rather interesting things can begin to occur later on. For example, the person I'm working with right now, 1, and the person I'm working with right now, 2, and the person I'm working with right now, 3. Those 3 individuals, as they step onto the stage, they're going to have the most profound feet-tickling episodes that they have ever had in their entire life. Anytime their feet are touching the gymnasium floor, they're going to have this awesome, unbelievable, uncontrollable feet-tickling episode. And the person I'm working with right now, 1, person I'm working with right now, 2, and the person I'm working with right now, 3. Those 3 individuals, when they hear me say the word big dog, they're going to realize that the St. Bernard they have attached to the leash on their wrist is suddenly going to start dragging them around this gymnasium. Nothing they're going to be able to do about it. They can expend every ounce of energy they've got. It'll be impossible for them to get it back under control until I say the words good dog, at which point it will instantly disappear. Drifting on down. And person I'm working with right now, 1, working with right now, 2, person I'm working with right now, 3, and 4 and 5. Those 5 individuals, tonight and tonight only, when they hear me say the words good night, they're going to stand up and scream at the top of their lungs, that's all, folks. Then they'll sit back down very quickly, hoping nobody saw them do that. Getting ready, refreshed, and full of energy. Getting ready. As long as they're giving out awards and prizes, everything will be his normal, everyday self. It won't be until they announce the very last prize. The instant they announce the very last prize, she'll once again realize that she's Lady Delavan, Lady Annabelle, and more than happy to sign autographs for anybody who might like to have an autograph and tell you all about what life is like for the rich and the famous. So on the count of 5, they'll all open their eyes, feeling relaxed, fantastic after being under for just a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's give all a very big round of applause for coming up here. Thank you all for coming up here and being part of our program. How you doing, man? 5. How long would you say you've been up here? What would you guess? How many minutes do you think? 10. 10? Ready to start the show? What? Are we ready to start the show? Maybe. Yeah. How you doing, man? Pretty good. Good. How you doing? Good. You? Great. How long would you guess you've been up here? What would you say? How many minutes you suppose? 15, 20. You doing? How you doing? Late. Good. How you doing? Good. Minutes? How many? Let's do kind of a quick survey to find out how many people are not really sure if anything has happened up here. Don't know if you've been under hypnosis, anything like that. You folks realize you've been there about an hour and 10 minutes at this point. Some of you are wearing things that I don't recall you wearing when you got here. Some of you are not. Some of you are finding things that you have stashed that I don't know where they came from. Listen, I think they deserve a great big round of applause for coming up here. Well, the only advertisement we'll have is there are up here on the edge of the stage. We'll leave them up here. If anybody's interested in ordering a video of tonight's program, there's order blanks up there of the actual program of tonight. Some of them might remember, some of them might not remember much of what happened up here. I'd like to thank all of you for coming up to be a part of our program. And congratulations to all of you. Most of you will be able to go right back out to the president. Just a couple of real quick questions. So, what kind of music do you like? Country? All right. And how about you? Okay. And how about you?
I kind of like folk.
You? Rock and roll. Rock and roll? How about you? Oh, good. All music is good? You ever heard of a singer called Lady Annabelle and the Band? Yeah, I like that. Would you ever get up in front of your entire graduating senior class and sing one of their songs? I hope not. What do you think, folks? How do you do? You have all the evidence right there on your shoe. Like I said, I'd like to thank all of you for coming up to be a part of our program. Most of you will be able to go back out to your friends of the audience. Let's give another great big round of applause as they enter the stage. Everybody else, please make sure you stay because they got a lot of rewards and prizes to give tonight. Yep. Yeah, you can go ahead and head on back up. You have to be just a little bit careful. There was a big dog running around here a little bit ago. Good dog, good dog. Good dog. It's done. Give me a big round of applause there.
I thought, like, Thai people were supposed to jump around. I know, so did I.
I suspect that later an autograph. I'm pretty sure that we got somebody around that would be more than happy to sign autographs. Not right now, but after they give out the last awards. And I'd just like to say that congratulations to you. I certainly enjoyed the chance to do that.